Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I have created this rainbow look for you all. So if you want to know and if you want to create this rainbow look, so let's get started. But before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. So let's get started. Let's just start with the moisturizer, and for that I'll be using Dot & Key Skincare Green. It has SPF 20 also, and this is how it looks. And let's just apply all over. So for primer, I'll be using NY Babe primer. It's a very affordable primer. It has silicone consistency, as you can see. Let's just start with the corrector, and for that I'll be using Sugar Face Forward Corrector Stick in the shade Peach. And the blender which I'm using is from the Drugstore Company. How much I love their beauty blenders. They are really amazing. And the foundation which I'll be using is from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Desert Beige. I'll be taking it on back of my hand. Now I'll be using this round brush. It's a buffing brush from Puna Store, and just start blending. You don't have to drag like this, okay? You have to just press and lift, press and leave like this. And using the same beauty blender, I'll just dab everywhere. So जिधर भी brush के strokes होंगे वो निकल जाएंगे. I'll be not applying any concealer as of now. Let's just start with the eyeshadow, and for that I'll be using BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. This is how the palette looks like. I'll be using a flat brush. I have used this color. I'll be using this color. I'll be using this pink color. Be using this shade. So as you can see, I have shown you cut crease on this side and this side without a cut crease. So you can see the difference. This looks amazing, and this you can see it shows a little less pigment. I'll be using concealer, and for that I'll be using Pack Take Cover Concealer. The shade number is not written here. वो एक स्टिकर में आता है जो स्टिक होता है यहाँ पे, और फिर हम उसको डेली यूज़ करते कंसीलर को और वो निकल जाता है. सो इट्स ऑफ नो यूज़. वो निकल चुका है, तो मुझे खुद नहीं मालूम ये कौन सा शेड है. अब मुझे अपने लिए बाय करना है तो फिर मुझे वापस स्वॉच करना पड़ेगा और चेक करना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा शेड है ये. बट या दैट्स ओके, नेवर माइंड. I'll be using Vibrancy Argan Oil Full Coverage Concealer Fluid in the shade Medium. Now I'll be using banana powder. You can use any banana powder of your choice. Bronzer, I'm using some different palette. Like this is Beauty Creations Pro Brow Kit. This is how it looks. They have some really amazing shades in this, and I'll be using this. You can use it as a brow color. Now I'll be using angular brush. And again for blush, I'll be using this Beauty Creation Floral Bloom Blush Palette. It's really amazing. Let me just show you. And the packaging is also really amazing. Just see how beautiful colors they have. Like, let me just show you the swatch of this color, of this, and of this. And just see how pigmented this blush are. Here I'll be using this Wet n Wild brush. Again, the name has gone somewhere, I don't know where. So this is the brush. I think it's a powder brush or it's a blush brush. So yeah, let's just use blush. Okay, so now I'll be dusting it off. I wanted to apply a white liner which is from Wet n Wild, and I'll be using this white kajal for my lower lash line. So for liner, I'll be using this Kat Von D liner. It's the tattoo liner, and this is how it looks. I'm just going to apply. Now for mascara, I'll be using this Maybelline the Colossal Volume Mascara. Next, to enhance my lashes more, I'll be using this Too Faced mascara. Or just to set my makeup, I'll be using this Faces Canada All Time Pro Fixing Spray. I'll be using this Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo. Lip liner, I'll be using this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. For liquid lipstick, I'll be using this new color Power Lips Fluid, and it's in the shade Breadwinner. Just mixing it with NARS Dolce Vita shade. Alright, so this is my final look. As you can see, I have created this rainbow eyeshadow color. It's looking really pretty on my eyes. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, bye.